Hey guys, I'm Michael Norman, Automation and Controls Engineer here at Scott Equipment in Charlotte, North Carolina. Today we got a surprise for you. I'm here with one of my colleagues and I want to talk him into doing something that I think may be a little dangerous. We'll see. Yeah, I thought we talked about this.
No,
Oh,
I didn't get the memo.
Oh, well, now you've got the memo.
What are we doing?
Oh, well, hold on, I'll tell you. Right here, what you see in front of me right now running at a very slow speed is the new Kollmorgen hygienic IP69K rated servo motor. So you want to hold it?
I'll hold it.
What do you think?
What do you want me to do with it?
Well, right here we have a bucket of water.
Oh, no.
Yeah,
That's got bad idea written all over it.
No, it's like super hygienic.
Okay, hold on a second. If I'm going to dunk this motor in that bucket of water, I got to get ready. Hold on a second.
Really? What do you think's going to happen?
I'll be right back. Hold on a second.
Oh, okay, gosh. Colleagues, what do you do with them? You know? I don't know where he went. Should I go ahead and do it myself? I don't know where he went. Did he run off? Is he gone? I don't know. But anyway, we're using the AKD drive basic to actually use and run this motor. Oh, there he is. Ah, what?
I think I'm ready.
What is all this?
This is just in case this experiment goes south on us in a heartbeat. Because you know it can. Look, I know electronics and water do not mix.
Really?
That's all I know. Dude, I've been doing this for 40 years.
Oh, well, you know, I've been doing it for 30 years and I've never tried it. So let's try it. I mean, it's not like I don't have any hair that's going to stand up on my head, right?
Man, I wish I had some like hazmat gloves or hazmat suit.
Well, you know what? Look. Here, I'm gonna let you do it. You go ahead and knock this out, all right?
I'm telling you, this is a bad idea, but
I think you should go for it, okay?
Are you sure?
I say you go for it. I say go for it. I think everybody else out there in YouTube land wants you to go
say a prayer for me.
Yeah.
Holy smokes!
Wow. Check that out. It still runs. Man. See, you didn't need all this for...
Hey, man.
After all, man.
Better be safe than sorry, but
yeah,
dude, that is crazy.
That is cool.
I've never seen a servo motor run in water.
In water. In a lot of water, submerged. So, that is just awesome.
As the kids say, that is dope.
That is dope. Awesome.
Okay, I stand corrected.
So, okay, see, you
electronics and water do mix.
They do mix, exactly. All right, guys. If you need any IP69K servo motors, hygienic, food, and beverage grade, give me a call. Michael Norman, Scott Equipment Company, Automation and Controls Engineer in Charlotte, North Carolina.